going on? It's your boy Jeff up here at Legacy Dodge, your #1 automotive sales professional. I'm back with another Whiteboard Wednesday, helping you understand all the numbers and figures in your new or used car deal so that you can sign with confidence and come see me for your next vehicle. Now today, I want to talk about why term matters. And what I mean by term, I mean the length of the loan that you agree to when you come and sign for your vehicle. Now in 2025, we've got lots of different terms available, as little as 24 months all the way up to a 96-month loan. And what we've seen over the last 3 or 4 years is the reaction of most customers to choose the 96 or the 84-month term. Because why? You can get the nicest vehicle, maybe a vehicle above your original budget or payment target, but you can get it now, and you can get it today, and you can get it for an ultra low payment. But I want you to consider what that payment really means to you. Now, let's consider for all these situations, it's the same $50,000 vehicle, okay? If we do a 96-month term at 4.9%, your payment is only $665 a month. That's like nothing. You're basically stealing it. $600 a month is probably only 10 to 20 hours for most people who work here in Fort McMurray. However, that $50,000 vehicle over the 8-year term is going to cost you an extra $14,000 in interest. So let's consider one shorter. Our 84-month term vehicles have 1.9%, which means the payment is only $15 more a month. That's 50 cents more a day, and 1 year less on your vehicle term can save you over $7,000 in interest. If that doesn't have your ears perk up, wait till you see this. Our 72-month promotion this month is only 0.99, which means this $50,000 vehicle will only cost you $54,000 out the door. Some of you might think a $680 payment to a $750 payment is a big jump, but look at the alternative. Look at how much interest you save. And now I saved the best for last, because this month, only until the end of the month, up here at Legacy Dodge, we got 0% financing on our short terms. 36 month, 48 month, and 60 months are 0% financing. So yes, your payment might be a little bit more, but really, all you're paying for on top of the vehicle is just the GST, and even some of you might even save that. So if you're looking to get into a brand new vehicle this month at Legacy Dodge, 0% financing, you can save up to $14,000 in interest on a $50,000 vehicle. And if you want to just see how easy we can make it happen for you, give me a call, shoot me a text, 416-523-6585, and let your legacy start right here, baby. Woo!